Good morning, students. Today we will study about uniform and non-uniform motion with the help of distance time graph. First of all, we have to understand what uniform motion is. A motion in which an object covers equal distances in equal intervals of time along a straight line is said to have uniform motion. Look at the distance time graph of an object that covers equal distances in equal interval of time. The object in this figure covers equal distances of 5 kilometers in every 10 minutes. Thus, the distance time graph is a straight line. The distance time graph of a uniform motion always represented by a straight line. Students, now we have to understand about non-uniform motion. A motion in which an object covers unequal distances in equal intervals of time is said to have non-uniform motion. Now, let us look at the distance time graph of an object that covers unequal distances in equal intervals of time. The objects in this figure covers unequal distances of 5 kilometers, 10 kilometers, 20 kilometers, etc. in every 10 minutes. Thus, the distance time graph is a zigzag line. Students, here I give you an activity in which you have to draw two distance time graphs which the data in these two different tables. You can draw these graphs either on a graph paper or any plain paper. Students, at last you have to complete your workbook and write the answer of question number 4, 5 and 6 in your physics fair copy. Thank you.